What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. If you've taken a look at my car in the last few recent videos, you notice that I've got a crack in my header panel. Right here, that's a crack. It's pretty bad. It's also cracked right here. So I picked one of these up. I got it sitting over here. But while I was there, I also wanted to replace these right here, front and back. So I reached out to the best known company that makes these pieces, and that's Spoolful Productions. And he was kind enough to sponsor me a set of front and rear fillers, and I can't thank him enough. There's his company logo. I will drop his company link down below to where you can find these fillers. They're for 84 to 87 Regals. They are magnificent. He makes them for Grand Nationals. He's well known in the Grand National community for making the best reproduction fillers there are, and like I said, I can't thank him enough that he was willing to sponsor me to do an install video. So this is what that is. I'm gonna unbox this huge package right here that's pretty tall. Come all the way from California, out in Huntington Beach. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get right into unboxing that, and yeah. That's the one-piece rear filler. As you can see, man, the quality is, the dang quality is freaking top-notch, man. He's the best in the business, no doubt. Man, it's magnificent. But obviously, the black and that silver, and it ain't gonna look right. So these definitely will have to get sprayed. I'm gonna unbox the front ones right here too as well. As you can see, the front fillers are just as nice as the rear fillers. Like I said, the quality is magnificent on these things. I'm gonna get on and hop on to getting the old ones off. So I'm gonna drop both the front and back bumper and pull them off. And then we're gonna take these ones that are sitting over here and get them sprayed silver to match the car. So yeah, I gotta get this thing sprayed silver as well, my header panel. So I'm gonna get over there and drop the bumpers off and whatnot. So we pretty much got her face off. Just got to get her eyebrows off, you know, her header panel. And yeah, just a couple bolts here and there, and a couple there, and a couple over there. Really pretty simple job, like 6, 7, 8 bolts, something like that. Just hop right to it. One piece. Hey. Well, you can see how junky that piece was. I broke it by barely pulling on it, so it definitely needed to be replaced. Whoop! I got the old one off and the new one on. This is one I bought off of Facebook Marketplace in pretty fair shape. Just got to be spray painted silver. So yeah, we're gonna take these parts to the local paint guy here. Does some awesome work. Atlanta Cultured Customs, I think is his name. He's gonna spray these fillers silver for me and the header panel. So yeah, we're gonna take that over there right quick. All right, so we got the stuff back from the paint shop. I'm gonna flip it around and let y'all check it out. There's the header panel. One of the filler panels is over there. I got the other filler panel in the truck, but I'm gonna hop on this front right quick and get everything back on, and we'll throw those filler panels on there, and I'll let y'all see how the front is when I'm completely done with it. As you can see, they're fitted on there. Looks pretty good, fitment's pretty good. I mean, you're talking about 25, 30-year-old header panel that I put on there, so some things aren't going to be perfect, but that's all right. This is a street car. I just want to go fast and I want it to look halfway decent, and it does. And those spool full pieces make it look just that much better. But anyways, we got to hop on the back. I'll have to catch you guys tomorrow. This took a little bit longer than I thought it would, so I'll just have to catch you guys tomorrow. All right, so we're back here the next day. And before I jump on the back, I wanted to show you all the difference between when you buy a spool full filler and when you buy like a Goodmark or Goodyear, whatever, whoever makes the other ones. I know there's some other companies out there, but like I said, I think spool full is the best, and I'm going to show you why. So the reason I like this filler so much, here's the old metal piece that goes on top of the factory filler. Kind of slides in this general direction, like that. As you can see, that's how they go on. But spoolful created, I don't know if you can see it, it's a little dark, but right there, 3 holes that go in the factory place, gets rid of the metal piece, and then he sends this really nice stainless hardware to go right there. See the really nice stainless hardware? That's quality to me. And that's why I think spoolful is the best on the front, and the fitment's really good. I mean, like I said, it's a 30-year-old header panel, and I mean, that's some good fitment. But anyways, bro, like I said, we're going to hop on the back now and get that one tore off and put the new one on. There's, I think, 6 little unscrew tabs on the back of the lights. Those will pull those out and be ready to go. Well, those are out. Now we just got to get this bolt, and that bolt. Well, as you can see, we got it all off. Now it's time to, actually I'm going to clean this area up a little bit, and then I'm going to put the other ones on. Alright, so when you're getting ready to do these spool full bumper fillers, these little original mounts, they need to be bent down. That way they line up with the holes in the spool full. And another thing is, you want to tape these up with some tape. Just kind of put them up there. Makes it really easy to get this thing on there. Well, the back's in there, and that fitment's good. Everything's tucked up nice and neat. Fits tight right there. I'm telling y'all, this spool full is freaking high quality. Like I said, there's links gonna be down below where to get these, and yeah, just click that link down below and go check it out. We're gonna hop on the front and get everything back on the front. I got most of it together. I just gotta get the grill, the headlights, and the small stuff. So we're gonna hop right on the front. Alright, so you're probably wondering what I'm going to do with my old fillers, and I'm going to give back to the G-Body community. If you're here from the Facebook, because I'm going to share this on Facebook, I said I'm giving away a pair of fillers. If you got a YouTube comment, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below. If you don't, go back to the Facebook post to where you came from and leave your name. I'll give you a number. If you're a subscriber for the channel, just drop your name below and I'll assign you a number, and then I'm going to go through all the numbers and I'm going to put it in random.org and I'm going to give these things away. And whatever number it lands on, that's who's going to win these. I'll go through all the Facebook posts and all the YouTube comments, and I'm going to give these things away. I'll get in touch with you, so be on the lookout in your comments, or be on the lookout on your Facebook posts or an IM or something, or an email, whatever. I'm going to find a way to get in touch with you, and I'm going to send you these fillers because I want to pay back to the G-Body community because Mike was nice enough to sponsor me, and I'm going to ship them on my dime. I'm going to take care of everything and ship them your way. So yeah, just do what I said, but let's hop right back into the video. Man, that's a dang 10 out of 10 fit right there. That's some smooth fitting stuff. Mike's making some high quality products. They're made out of fiberglass. He's out of California. Check his link out right here. Go check out his products. He also has other Turbo Buick products. If you got some friends that want to win some front and rear fillers, tell them to come comment. Come check out the channel. And also, if you like the content, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell and follow along because we're about to turbo this thing here in a few weeks. And yeah, y'all know the message if you've been here for a while. If you ain't on a break, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here.